Hi, Kinders. Welcome to week 3, day 2. Okay, so today's lesson is Unit 5, Lesson 4. And remember, your instructional video will say Module 5, Lesson 4. Same thing. All right, our materials for today, paper, pencil, crayons, or any other material you like to use to color your thinking, markers, color pencils. Our learning goal for today is I can describe numbers the say 10 way. Hey, that's a new strategy we're going to learn today, the say 10 way. Hmm. I That looks like the say 10 way is going to help us describe our numbers. So your key word today is hen. We're going to be working with the number hen today. So pause this video, go watch your instructional video, complete your exit ticket before coming back to this video, and then we're going to go over our exit ticket and go straight into the practice set.
Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 4. Our learning goal for today says, I can describe numbers the say 10 way. Ooh, this makes me think today we're going to be learning a new way to describe numbers. This is where we say the 10 that's hidden deep inside as one of the parts. Then we say however many ones are left over. Let me show you. Okay, we're going to use pictures and numbers to help describe numbers the say 10 way. As you can see, I have some 10 frames. Let's go ahead and fill those 10 frames up. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so how many do we have so far? Yeah, we have 10. Now, if we hadn't counted all of those individually, how would we know, and individually means one at a time, how would we know that this whole 10 frame is filled with 10 circles? Yes, because the 10 frame has 10 spots. And if the whole thing is filled up, that's just 10, right? So we have 10. Now let's do the other 10 frame and see how many we have. Let's just keep counting on. 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so we have 13 altogether. But our 13 is broken up into parts. See, we have the 10 that's up here. And then what's the other part? How many were in the other 10 frame? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. So we could count it as 13, or we could say the 10 and then the 3 ones. So we could say 10, 3. That's describing the number the say 10 way. We actually say the 10, 10, 3. All right, let's try another one. All right, I already have the 10 frame filled in. So what number is this? Yes, it's 10. Let's count on some ones down in this bottom 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh. Let's see. If I want to count from 10, I could say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's how we probably would the regular way to describe that number, 17. But we want to practice the say 10 way. So first we're going to say the number that we see in this 10 frame. And what number is that, friend? Yes, 10. Okay. And then how many circles are in this bottom 10 frame? Can you go ahead and count those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So the number is 17, but if I wanted to describe it the say 10 way, I would say 10, 7. All right, let's try another one. You're doing fantastic. All right, for this one, I have it already all set up. So if I'm going to say this number, I'm going to say it the say 10 way. I'm going to give you a hint. It's 19. Because I had 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's how I would say it the regular way, is 19. How can I say 19 the say 10 way? Well, what am I going to say first? Yeah, I'm going to say the number that's in this 10 frame. So what number is that? 10. And then now what am I going to say? Yeah, the number that's in this 10 frame. And what number is that? You can count the circles if you need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So 19, the say 10 way, is 10, 9. Friends, what is 19 the say 10 way? Good. 10, 9. See, when we're describing numbers the say 10 way, we're just going to say that 10 first. Then we're going to say how many ones there are after we've said that 10. We want to be thinking of that 10 frame. Okay? It's going to help us out. All right, so our learning goal said, I can describe numbers the say 10 way. And we figured out that we could say the 10 and then say the ones. All right, so here we go. We have a 10 filled up, and then we have some ones in the bottom to make 18 altogether. I would like you to go ahead and say 18 the say 10 way.
Great. So let's go over our learning goal today. It says, I can describe numbers the say 10 way. Let's see how you did on your exit ticket. The exit ticket has one 10 frame completely filled in and then another 10 frame almost filled in. Let's see how many are here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, there's 8 here. So I can say that these 10 frames represent the number 18. Right. But our job today was to use what we see in our 10 frame to show it the say 10 way. So remember, the say 10 way asks us to say the 10 first, then the rest of the ones. So we say our 10 ones first, then the rest of the ones. So how many here? Right, 10. And how many here? Right, 8. So our say 10 way should say 10, 8, because there's 10 and 8. And 10, 8 makes 18, because it shows that we are saying that we see a 10 and 8 in 18. Okay. Here is our practice today. It says draw 10 ones and some ones. Whisper count as you work the say 10 way. Okay, so we're going to use our coloring utensils this time. Doesn't have to be that you draw in pencil. You can draw in crayon or color pencil or marker, whatever tool that you chose for today. And as we draw our 10 and some more ones, we're going to whisper count to make sure that we have what we're supposed to. So this one says, I can make 10, 3. And it even shows us 10, 3. So that means that in this 10 frame, we should have, right, 10. And in this 10 frame, we should have 3. Great. Let's see. We should have 10 and 1, 2, 3. So we're now showing that we have 10, 3. What's 10, 3 make? No, count the dots. Do we have to count these one by one? No, because we know that there are 10 here. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10, 3 makes 13. Let's try this one. I can make 10, 7. So we need to put how many here? Right, 10. And then we need to put how many here? Right, 7. So as we're using our coloring, our crayons, we can do a set in all the same color, or we can do a set in a different color. So this 10 is blue. Let's see, 7. I know that 7 has one whole 5 group in the number. 5, 6, 7. So I did it in the light blue and the dark blue. It's up to you because it's you showing your thinking. Okay. So we made 10, 3, which is also Right, 13. And then we made 10, 7, which is, yeah, 17. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Now on this page, you're going to do the work on your own. It says, I can make 10, 2. I can make 10, 9. Okay, so you're going to show your two 10 frames and show me 10, 2 and 10, 9 as showing your thinking for today. Okay? Alrighty, so your learning goal was I can describe numbers using the say 10 way. We did that. We learned that saying numbers with the 10 first helps us figure out that the number also has 10 in it. Okay, so remember to do your two problems for today, take a picture of them, and share your learning. See you later. Stay safe. Bye-bye.